side entry and top entry trunnion mounted ball valves. Soon designed the side entry and top entry trunnion mounted ball valves to assure bidirectional sealing of the valve with two independent floating seats. The design of these seats minimizes the torque required to operate the valve without losing the sealing power. This power is assured by zero differential pressure to the valve's maximum rated pressure. In addition, Soon valves are manufactured to seal off both seats at the same time and to allow bleeding of the entrapped cavity pressure, DBB, with the ball in the closed position. Side entry ball valves are available either in 3 pieces or 2 pieces. Bolted construction, full and reduced bore. Top entry ball valves are produced in 1-piece forging or cast body. Bolted cover, trunnion mounted ball, full and reduced bore. Size from 1.5 inches to 60 inches. ANSI rating class 150 to 2,500. API pressure rating 2,000 to 10,000 psi. Standard features. Trunnion mounted ball. Features a fixed ball and floating seat rings. Bearings absorb the side load generated by the pressure acting on the ball. Soft-seated valves. In valves designed for standard service, a resilient material is inserted into the metal seat holder to provide a soft seating action in addition to the metal-to-metal seating between the ball and seat rings. Self-relieving seat rings. 2 seat rings assure bidirectional sealing of the valves. Lower torque design allows ease of operation. This is due to the technical superiority of the seat configuration design, and the ball is mounted on trunnion or supported by plates with low friction bearings to torque, so the user will save the cost of the actuation. Pressure drives the upstream seat into the ball. The ball remains stationary. Double block and bleed design, API 6D. Upstream and downstream seats isolate the cavity. The pressure in the cavity can then be relieved to prove the integrity of the seats. Anti-static device. Anti-static continuity between body, ball, and stem is provided by a spring and a ball. Fire-safe design. Fire-safe design may substantially prevent leakage through the elastomeric polymeric seals when exposed to high temperatures of fires. Upon request, we can provide a fire-safe design which can pass fire tests conducted in accordance with BS 6755, API 607, API 6FA. Body vent and drain. The valve body incorporates a drain plug, located at the bottom of the cavity, and a bleed valve located at the highest possible position of the cavity. Top entry trunnion mounted ball valves are widely used to ensure that inline repair can be truly realized. Emergency sealant injection stem cells and seat face. If the seat seal becomes damaged, the emergency sealant injection system may be used to temporarily renew the seal until the repair can be scheduled. Single piston effect and double piston effect seats. Single piston effect is a design whereby the excessive internal body pressure is automatically relieved either into the upstream or downstream line by forcing the seats away from the closure element. Double piston effect is a design whereby pressure in the cavity energizes the downstream seat and affects a downstream seal. DPE seats result in a double barrier within a single valve. Valves in liquid service with DPE seats must pipe away the cavity pressure to the upstream side of the valve to prevent damage from thermal expansion. Metal-seated valves. The metal-to-metal seal is obtained by means of a flexible seat with the ball and seat sealing surfaces coated with tungsten carbide. Metal seats are typically used in potentially erosive or abrasive service caused by the presence of solids. Extended stem and fittings for below-ground service. A stem extension is required for underground installation or for valves which are not easily accessible. A variety of stem extensions for manual, gear, or power-assisted operation may be offered. Also available are piping and fitting extension for gaining access to body vent, body drain, and the emergency sealant injection fitting. Numerous types of body, trim, seal area overlay, and seal materials available. Soon have applied the scientific design philosophy to manufacture various parts of ball valves. The main parts cover body, ball, stem, seat, etc. With this concept, Soon can ensure the highest level of parts interchangeability, so that we can make certain a good manufacturing quality as well as a quick delivery.